Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil and natural gas market in the same video. Before looking into that, let us see what happened in the last 2 days. The chart you are seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart. Since the price of crude oil had dropped a lot, for this week what we advised was we expected crude oil to show some consolidation. After a consolidation or a retracement, after picking the right zone, we will re-enter into the market. In simple, we can say it is a market watch week for us initially. So on 27th, you could see the price came down and continued its downtrend, but it is very important to analyze the supports and resistance very carefully. If you notice that the price, you could see there was a consolidation between 3060 and 3080. Finally, the price closed around 3080. Yesterday, the market opened below 3060. That induced pressure for the price to reach the major psychological zone of 3000. You could see the price was approaching the major psychological zone of 3000, from where we got a bounce back because of profit booking. You could see the level of bounce back we had. So 3020 was converted into a support. Finally, the price closed around 3076. If we analyze the open high look, we can see yesterday's market created a new low with a lower opening, and the price closing was higher than the opening, and it was bit lower compared to the previous day's price closing. In other words, we could see the yesterday's price closing was within the previous day's consolidation zone, which still means that we cannot take this as a reversal in trend. There is nothing much we can do in crude oil market unless we see a valuable retracement and consolidation. Today also you can expect crude oil to stay to open somewhere near the same zone where it closed on the previous day. Again, it is going to be a market watch day, but be careful that we need to see the support and resistance, the price actions very carefully. Once we got a very good comfortable zone, then we will start our trading session. Till then, it is going to be a market watch for us because we need to give some time for crude oil. We know that crude had dropped a lot. We need to give some time for crude oil to give us the right entry. Now let us move on to natural gas. The chart you are seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart for natural gas market. Now let us see what happened in the last 2 days. And this is also the new contract. What we expected for this week, we thought that natural gas will maintain 182 as a major resistance zone and it will stay in selling. On Monday the 27th, the price opened lower, but it gave a clear bounce back towards 182 where it found resistance, and it closed below 182. The next day, that is yesterday, the price opened lower, and again the price tried to hit 182, found resistance, there was a drop and closed around 180. Now we could see that the price was taking a constant hit around 182. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. Today's the price opening is going to play a key role. We need to see where the price is opening. On seeing the NYMEX price direction, we could say that the price is going to open within 181 and 182, which is going to be very important. So we need to take some extra bit of chance in natural gas market. That is, I had marked this 178 as a support because if you remember on the previous contract, 178 acted as a support. Support resistance doesn't change us. So what we can do is, if the price is moving above 183, if there is any price action above 183, you can go for buying by placing a stop loss below 178. So if the price is not moving above 183, you can still maintain your selling trend. You can go for selling by having 182 as a resistance. Only on one condition you can go for buying a strong price action above 183. If the price is moving above 183, go for buying by placing a stop loss above 170, below 178. Till then, you can expect natural gas to continue its downtrend. Since it is a new contract, we made it very clear with a detailed explanation on Monday that why we are going to target 182. Here you could see this acted as a very good support. See, I had decreased the scale. So you know the reason. If you want to make it very clear, you go to the Monday's video presentation, you will see that. Now let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.